Hi, I am the doctor. Today's patient is a 2017 Kia. The headlight bulbs went out. I'm going to show you how to replace them. Should take a few minutes. These are what you need right here. You see, base band H11. These are the ones for the Kia right here. Got them at Oreilly's. They had different brands, but I got these ones right here. Take a look. See? H11s. Right here. And put that right here. Now, the steps are easy. Number one, you're going to go right here. You see they have these cup containers? This one's right here. Okay. Number two, then take it out. See this? Right here. I'm going to go right here. Number three, just squeeze at the sides right here to let it out. Now you pull. There it is. Put it right there. This is the one I'm putting in. This is the one I took out. Make sure they're the same. The tail is burnt right in here. Here we go. Now you see this has a little coupler thing right in there, just like that. You make sure it goes the same way. Take a look. Okay, you make sure it goes in the same way, just like this. All right. Locked in. Get the light. Now you gotta, it's gonna fall right in there. You just gotta turn it now. There it is. Tucked in front of my hand. That's what it goes. You just put this in there. So this one goes like this to the side. There. So, gotta put it in straight. Make sure it's in straight. There you go. Tap it. Now turn it. There it is. That's one. Same thing right here on the other side. Right here. Take it out. Before I start this side, taking a look at it, I'm going to turn the light on. There it is. I can see it turned on. See right here? So, there's that. If I don't want to be, there's the power. I'm going to turn on the power again right now. Always got to wear your gloves. It's an electrical job. Easy. There we go. Same procedure. Just hit right here. There it is. Right there. It's 11. Let's open up this one. Same exact thing. There we go. Right here, right here. See that? Now you put it in like this. Now you see these grooves right in here? This is one big one, and these two are like that, little ones. You gotta put it in just like that. If you can't see it, then you just gotta feel it inside right here, like that. Now you gotta turn it a little bit. There we go. Tightened it. Push it straight in. When I turn down, like that, it's snapped in. There it is. Now, put this back on. Give me a little kickback right there, but you can't visually see it in there. I always could hold a little magnifying glass right in there, but a little mirror to see. Now I'm going to turn them on. Both going to check both. One already came on. There you go. Voila. Another patient successfully succeeded the operation. Thank you. Tell me what you think. Subscribe to my channel. Give me your comments. I want to hear what you got to say. I am the doctor. Peace and have a nice day.